Hi, I'm Oksana from ShortPoint, and today I want to show you how easy and fun it is to use ShortPoint for Microsoft Teams. With ShortPoint, you'll be able to design a Teams tab just like a website page and present any type of content. Take a look at these beautiful and functional tab examples. I have created all of them using ShortPoint. If you're ready to discover more, let me show you how. This is Microsoft Teams, and I'm in my company's general channel. Let's say I want to create a tab and show all of my company's social media accounts. I'll start by creating a new tab and adding ShortPoint to it. Clicking Save, and I'm landing on this main page, which is our ShortPoint dashboard. Here I have two options, to design from scratch or to start from a template. Let me show you the template option first. I'm clicking Choose Template and see a selection of pre-designed templates. We're adding new designs here all the time to cover different use cases for different companies and different teams. I'm going up here to select the social template. I click it. I can preview it from here. I think it will go well with what I'm about to achieve. I press Insert to put it into my tab, and it's ready. This is the edit mode of my tab. Here I have sections and elements inside them. Let's modify this Facebook element. I'm pressing the cogwheel to open the element settings. The element is now connected to our ShortPoint company page in Facebook. Changing it to Microsoft. Preview. This is how the element looks like now. Let's update and view the whole page. I'm switching the main preview toggle on. Now I'm the only one who sees these beautiful changes. When I'm sure that I'm done with my edits and the page looks good, I can click Publish. After publishing, I'm gonna do one last important step. Rename the tab from ShortPoint to Social Media to make the tab name recognizable. We're done. Just like this, I can modify all other elements on my page to make it my own. Now let's take a look at the second option, which is to design from scratch. When I select it, I first see an empty section. I activate the cursor inside of it and press the blue Insert button to open the ShortPoint page builder. Here I can choose from over 60 design elements to include into my tab. Let's select tickers for this demonstration. In any design element, you can click the demo link on the right to learn what this element is all about. You'll be taken to a demo page with examples and instructions. Getting back to Page Builder, I'm giving my ticker a name, Announcements. Moving on to the Items tab, I start filling in the title and the link for each of my news items. I click the plus icon to add another item to my ticker. Again, filling in the title and the link. Let's click Preview. This is how I can add items manually. This is nice, but usually in a company, such things as announcements already exist somewhere else. Like in my case, they are stored in a SharePoint site called Intranet Assets. I want to display only the latest announcements. So I go here in the Connect tab instead and open up a drop-down. We have so many connection types here. SharePoint sites, SharePoint groups, REST API, RSS, People Search, XML Web Services. I choose Other Sites because my list is in a SharePoint site. In the list of site collections, I'm searching for Intranet Assets. Same for the site name. List name is Announcements, and View is Latest Announcements. Clicking Connect and switching to Items tab for one last step. What I'm gonna do here is what we call mapping. Clicking the chain icon and selecting that I want to display the title in the title field, obviously, and the item URL in the link field. Let's preview. Here we go, all of my latest announcements are now displayed here. Pressing Update, Preview, and Publish. Just like this, you can design complex, eye-catching pages like these. All of these were designed exactly as I have shown you now, using different ShortPoint page builder elements. I want to show you one more amazing resource. It's called the ShortPoint Demos website. Here you can find all the pages I have shown you in this video and many more. We want to help you out so you don't have to design everything from scratch to get started. You can copy anything from these pages and paste it directly into your Teams tabs. Here's how. I can click here to select a section to copy, or go with copying the entire page. One click and I return to my Teams tab, paste, and here you go. Now let's click Preview. In a matter of seconds, I have the whole design in my Teams tab, and I can redesign or modify everything. Just because we hear this so often these days, I would like to tell you that all of the content you design using ShortPoint for Microsoft Teams is stored directly in your Teams account. There is nothing stored or hosted in our site. This way we assure that the privacy of your data is protected. You're welcome to schedule an onboarding call with our team so we can show you all the capabilities of our platform and help you use your trial to the max. You will be able to discuss your own user scenario and see what ShortPoint can do for your business. Thank you so much for spending the time to watch this product demo. I really hope you enjoy using ShortPoint for Microsoft Teams.